Best Silicone Cooking Utensils Review. In this video, we'll show you the best selling cooking utensil set in the market and share with you some of the features of what makes it so popular. Also in this video, we'll show you a quick video clip of this set of cooking utensils being used. The one that made our list is the Odors 14 pieces silicone utensil set. Now this set can withstand temperatures of up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. It doesn't retain odors or colors when you use it for stirring deep colored foods. This set is made from the highest quality BPA-free food-grade silicone. The handle is made of solid wood and is smooth and comfortable to the touch, which prevents heat transfer during the cooking process. The food-grade silicone portion protects your pots and pans from being scratched. And the one-piece mold design doesn't have any gaps so that no food can be trapped. This makes cleaning much easier. To check out the full specs of this 14-piece silicone utensil set and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/silicone kitchen set. Here's a quick video clip of this kitchen set being used. So there you have it, the Odors 14 pieces silicone utensil set. Once you get this set for your home, your kitchen will be complete. Again, to check out the full specs of this silicone kitchen set and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/silicone kitchen set. Alright, thank you for watching.